In news overseas, a massive winter storm is sweeping across much of the United States. Nearly 230 million people are now under severe weather alerts for the weekend. More from the CNN.
Multiple crews prepping and treating runways at Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport in Atlanta as the busiest airport in the world braces for a massive winter storm that could cripple travel for days.
We are expecting that we'll have snow and ice that we'll have to deal with.
Close to 230 million people from New Mexico up to Maine are under weather alerts through Monday as half the country prepares for catastrophic conditions, bringing heavy snow and dangerous ice.
Downed trees and power lines could cause extended power outages and debris issues.
Multiple states and D.C. have declared a state of emergency. This monster storm could bring nearly an inch of ice or more to large sections of the plains and south. Parts of the Midwest and Northeast will be pounded with snow. Some areas like upstate New York could see up to 2 feet. Even New York City could get more than a foot of accumulation.
This is a very dangerous combination of heavy snow and extreme cold temperatures.
Ahead of this massive storm comes the bitter and extreme cold. Arctic air and wind chills will send feels-like temperatures well below zero in some parts of the country. The mix of brutally cold temperatures and ice could be disastrous for places not equipped for these conditions, like Dallas.
Additional resources are in the city of Dallas, and they're ready to respond to outages or any disruptions that we experience.
Already, thousands of flights have been canceled nationwide ahead of this weekend storm, and many more are expected as this storm continues through Monday.